Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the start menu and taskbar colors on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings listed right above app. So go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select personalization. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and then select the Colors tab. Now over here on the right side, you want to go ahead and modify your options here. So where it says underneath accent color, if you click inside the drop down, you can set either automatic or manual depending on your background currently selected, and Windows will determine what color it thinks it's best for you. Otherwise, you can go ahead and select manual and then select the color from the list here. Or you can select a custom color by selecting view colors and then do a custom color. And if you select more, you can actually input an RGB code or an HSV code in here. And you might be wondering why your taskbar isn't changing color. Well, you'd have to set it to dark mode. So in order to do that, you have to go up and where it says choose your mode, you'd have to set it to dark mode. And then if you went down to show accent color on start and taskbar, if you toggle that to the on position, then it will work. If you do light mode, it will not change the taskbar color. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.